Greetings guys, this is AIM Agriculture again. We are here and the journey to South Sudan starts now. And you can see guys, it's 11:58. Like I always tell you, chicken farming is not just chicken farming. It starts all the way from the choice of the breed, the choice of the breed, the supplier, and the hatchery. And this is why AIM Agriculture will never just bring for you anything and anyone. Look at the breed we have for South Sudan, guys. This chick here has just come from the machine, the hatchery today. But look at how it's looking like, you know. Look at the eyes. It's all active, And I'm sure you're so eager to know how many will arrive safely and how are they going to perform. And this is a journey you're going to document right from today. What's the date today? Today is the 24th of January. And we want to know by what day these chicks will start laying. We want to know by what day these chicks will start giving us an egg and what is the survivability of them. Hey guys, we can start taking them and loading them together. So the journey to Juba starts now. And I'm sure you're eager to know which breed is this. I will disclose it to you soon. Guys, by the way, this is 3,000. This is our vehicle. This is our carrier here. 3,000. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, guys, hit the subscribe button, like and share. And this is a breed that we really want to focus on and see the returns. We want to look at a couple of farmers doing it. If you think about chicken farming, it is not just going and buying day-old chicks. Look, I want chicks. When you're buying a cow for milk, you say, I want a Freshen, or I want a Jersey. And I want to tell you today, from experience, guys, if you think about commercial layer chicken farming, a bird that can give you up to 96-97%, then think about no other bird than the Highland Brown. Let me open this one for you. Guys, you see here? Highland Brown. Look at them. So beautiful. You know. Look at them. Profit starts from the first day. Profit or loss. By choosing the correct breed from the first day, then it simply means you score. That's why I always recommend to you a Highland Brown. Very strong, high adaptability, very productive, if all factors are met. This is 3,000, as you can see here. That is the breed. Highland Brown, set for the Juba delivery. Let's move together. See what time will arrive in Juba. See how many chicks will survive. How many eggs you'll get. Love you, subscribe. Okay, let's go. Guys, let's do it. Oh, and by the way, while transporting chicks, it's important that you pay attention to the temperature. 26 degrees, 25 degrees Celsius, you can transport them for 2 days. Pay attention to the temperature. Pay attention to the air supply, you know, the oxygen levels. And also, pay attention to the ride. It ought to be smooth, guys, so that the chicks can enjoy a smooth ride all the way, so that you minimize on stress. Very high temperature brings failure and deaths. Guys, the journey here with Samuel. Samuel, you can introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Wagasaba Samuel, the CEO African Choice Holding Limited, supplying the birds with Mr. Antonio to Southern Sudan, and the project has started. We are coming from the hatchery right now, and it will be great to start this journey with Mr. Antonio.
Guys, wish us well. We are so scared. We're going to Juba for the first time. Actually, past Juba, it's Bor, and let's eat it. I know we can. These are our chicks behind here, guys. And like you can check again now, it's our clock says it's midnight, 12:15. Let's go, Sam.
Yes.
I know we'll do it, right?
Yes.
All the best, guys. Let's go. We're still moving, and Sam is still strong.
Yes. Yeah. When it means farming, we are supposed to be strong. They always say that happy farmers, happy people, and happy birds. We are still going.
Guys, remember this trip started at
11.
Yes. Now we are at Tamuru district, a few kilometers past Gulu town, and you can see over here it is 6:19 a.m. and you can see the road, guys. It's almost the dark is disappearing, and we're almost getting there. Guys, we still have some few kilometers to cover, about 80 kilometers?
85 kilometers.
85 kilometers. And remember, guys, when you're transporting chicks, there are quite a number of things that you need to pay attention to. You just don't need to rush and arrive at your destination. We are using... Yep.
Checking the temperature.
The temperature is very important.
The spacing. And birds if are active.
Yep.
Because you may find when birds they are piled in the box, if you don't check, you are going to find the mortality rate when you are removing them from the boxes. Therefore, you check the temperature, you check activities, you check also the spacing in the boxes. If they are in the same position the way you have arranged them. That's why every time we are stopping, after 30 minutes, we check, we wait for 10 minutes, they get some fresh air, they relax, also they relax their muscles, then we continue. That's why we are going slowly. We would have reached a long time ago, but because of all those criteria, that's why we are still moving up now. Good. Guys, when you're transporting chicks, pay attention to 3 most important things. That is the temperature. The temperature should not exceed 40. Actually, you're supposed to transport with 26 degrees Celsius. With 26 degrees Celsius, you can transport chicks for 2 days in a row. And very important also, ventilation. Make sure you have proper ventilation. And then finally, just give your chicks a smooth ride. Don't give them a bumpy ride, because when you give them a bumpy ride, you hit the potholes, you hit the bumps, they get stressed, right? Yeah, they get stressed, and they can kill themselves stepping on each other, causing a lot of weight on one. That's why we need the space remaining the same. Pay and attention. Also to keep the boxes in the position, because if you move them and the boxes they lose position, the top boxes they are going to squeeze the downer boxes, and all of them they are going to die. Exactly. And so, guys, we are here, and also you need to listen to the birds. When you hear them, the sounding changing, crying so much, you try to look at the ventilation, you try to look at the temperature, you check the temperature down, up, behind, and if you know that the temperature is rising, you try to increase the ventilation. If you find that the temperature is too down, you rise up the ventilation so that you fix it with a small space to allow aeration taking place and to avoid cold air entering in a huge and elect cold air, to avoid all those noise and have healthy bites at the end. Guys, these are 3,000 chicks behind us. And they can produce heat. You can think it's an oven. You may feel the hotness. You may think that we're in Egypt or we are in United Arab Emirates, but when we are having the birds here, because their aeration, they haven't eaten anything, but imagine when they have eaten and you pack them inside, you'll feel it. They are breathing, and also they are carrying out the gaseous exchange behind.
that means the heat is going to be too much.
Good. If you look at his window, Sammy's window, it's down. And if you look at my window,
it's halfway down.
Quarter way down. It's quarter way down. And if you're able to see the rear windows, each of them is a quarter, and the other window is also a quarter. So we are trying one thing. We are trying to make the inner conditions here be 26 degrees Celsius, but we don't want direct wind, like strong wind. Yep. Every 30 minutes we stop and open the back door and also the side doors. This is because we really want to minimize suffocation. Okay, guys, we love you so much. We are on our way to Juba, South Sudan, Bor, and AIM Agriculture is unstoppable. AIM Agriculture is a solution
to every problem of farming, not only poultry, but also nutrition, plus also fattening and genetics. Therefore, don't look anywhere further. If you are sourcing anything around the world, look for AIM
Agriculture.
Happy farmers, happy chicks. Thank you very much.
We love you. Guys, we finally in Sudan, South Sudan, and here with Nelson. He has received his chicks. Obi has got a lot of trouble. Guys, our babies are here. You can hear their sound. And behind us, we're being escorted. It's been a nice trip. All these paperworks. Too much tax. Too much tax. But we'll show you guys in the video. And we're happy, guys. It's just gonna be fantastic and fantastic. And as always, AIM Agriculture is here. It is what's the time, Nelson?
12:24.
It's 12:24 midday. Remember, the journey started at 11:30 yesterday night. We will show you the final destination. Cheers. We are now headed to Mangala, and it is now 6:14 p.m. and we started yesterday at 11:30. I think we left it an hour to reach the farm. So guys, these are our babies still, and we are here. I didn't know South Sudan is this beautiful, guys. Very nice roads. And we're headed to Mangala. We have finally arrived at the farm, guys. This is Bor. It's night. It's about 8:30 Sudan time, or 9:30 Kenyan or Ugandan time. And now we are taking the chicks, the brood. And lucky enough, Nelson had well prepared himself. We are taking him through the lessons and already done the brooder. And so guys, let me take you around and show you where we're keeping the chicks. So this is the farm, guys. Tomorrow during the day I'll be able to show it to you very well. And here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, step here. Guys, you see there's a food back here. It's in the dark, you can't see. This is our brooder, and it was nicely set, guys. These are the girls. They have just arrived, very tired, taking some rest. And so guys, if you see there, these are the drinkers. We first started by putting the drinkers, and here we've mixed the vitamins and the waters. So these are the carton boxes. So let us offload and then keep you posted. We brought 3,000 chicks,
And like we've been doing this video, bringing 3,000 chicks from Uganda to South Sudan by road, and we've covered a distance of about 800 kilometers because we went past Juba and went a little bit interior in Jongle State, Bor town. Guys, I'm so happy to tell you that the chicks are doing so well. Out of 3,000, so far so good. We only lost one chick, and this is so impressive. And once again, I want to say congratulations to Highline, and that's a good job you guys are doing. And the Highland chicks have proved it. Chicks with a very good livability of up to 98% at week 17. As a farmer, what are you looking for? You are looking for a chick that is robust in growth, it has got a lower mortality rate, it gives you good results in terms of less feed intake or average feed intake, and more eggs. Remember, when a chick survives to the last day or the point of egg layer, then you also have an extra income generated by selling the egg layer. And guys, we are here. This is the beauty of AIM agriculture. This one has been my ardent follower. This farmer here has been my ardent follower for the last 4 years. And I said I must make sure I bring and deliver him chicks. We promise and we deliver. The biggest question has been, how do I start a chicken farm? But today the answer is, how do we brood or raise a chicken from the first day or day 1 up to 18 months? We discussed that in detail, bit by bit. What are the temperatures required during transportation of chicks from the hatchery, the brooder? What are the temperatures that are required in the brooder during the brooding of the chicks? Why are we not using liquid paraffin today unlike long time ago? Which feed are you using today? Why have we introduced an extra tier of feed, the pre-layer ration? What is it rich in, and what is the advantage of it compared to the other feeds? In this video, we also discuss why these days we don't use lighting 24 hours, and what is the lighting program that you're supposed to use between day 0 and day 7. Then what are the lighting program supposed to use from day 7 continuing onwards. Why do we use intermittent lighting? What is the advantage of this 2 hours of darkness during brooding of chicks? What does it come along with? We have discussed that and other more tips on our YouTube channel in a video that is titled How to Take Care of Chicken from Day 0 to Day 18 and Generate an Extra Income. Guys, run to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, and the questions will be reduced. We love you so much.